Welcome to the Municipal Data Works Asset Valuation Module Training Video number 5, Appraised Cost Valuation Method. In Video 4, the Valuation module was set up to value assets using historic cost, or if historic cost is unknown, to use discounted replacement or reproduction cost valuation methods. This video will deal with the extra setup required to use the appraised cost valuation method. Typically, you would expect to use appraised value for building assets. In Municipal Data Works, appraised cost valuation method can be used for all asset types. On the categories page of the asset valuation module, the setup is basically the same as what was shown in video 4. The useful life is input. An amortization method is selected. Appraised cost is selected from the valuation method pick list. When the appraised cost option is selected, the cost index pick list appears and you must select the appropriate index for the asset type. Finally, input the capitalization threshold value and click Save. So far, the setup is similar to what was used for the historic cost or discounted replacement reproduction valuation methods. The difference for appraised cost valuation occurs in the lifecycle event included in the asset record. Let's go to the asset record for water main 400. For the appraised cost valuation method, the asset record must contain a lifecycle event for appraised value. To add a lifecycle event, click the option in the tree. Click Add. Select from the event type pick list Appraised Value. Enter the date which represents either the actual appraisal date or the date you wish to use to start the valuation. In this example, the treasurer has requested half-year amortization, so the date will be July 1, 2010. Click Save. Next, click Add a Lifecycle Event Detail. The municipality's engineer has determined that the current year appraised value for the asset is $1 million. The engineer also states that the asset is 50 years into a 75-year useful life. To configure the Lifecycle Event Detail, select Cost from the Category Type Pick list. From the Lifecycle Event Detail Type Pick list, select Total Cost. In the Cost field, enter the appraised value of $1 million. Click Save. The next step is the addition of an adjusted replacement date. Click Add Lifecycle Event Detail again. Select Replacement from the Category Type Pick list. From the Lifecycle Event Detail Type Pick list, select Adjusted Replacement Date. In the Date fields, input the dates. An asset 50 years into a 75-year useful life will have a 25-year remaining useful life. Therefore, the date when this asset will be fully amortized is 25 years into the future, or in this example, 2010 plus 25, or December 31, 2035. Click Save. The Asset Valuation module will now discount the appraised value back 50 years using the selected cost index and amortize the theoretical historic cost calculated over a 75-year useful life with this setup. Video 6 will demonstrate how to clear calculation exceptions